right? So when you're filling out the idea form, scroll down and you'll find a field labeled tags. This is where you can add keywords that help you and your team organize ideas by product line, project, tech stack, even legal ownership. Start typing, and the system will suggest tags that already exist. If you see what you're looking for, just click to add it. If it doesn't exist yet, press enter and the TIP tool will create a new tag right there. Now, there are two kinds of tags in the tip tool. Hard tags. These are managed by your admin. You'll see them in the drop-down, and they help standardize how your company categorizes ideas. Things like product line A, region, EMEA, or cloud security team. Soft tags. These are more flexible. Anyone can create them while filling out a form. You might add things like quick win, Q4 filing, or AI ML. Both types work the same way, though. The only difference is who can create and manage them. All tags, hard or soft, are visible across the organization. That's what makes them useful for collaboration, filtering, and reporting. If you're an admin and want to manage hard tags, go to the admin panel, click on the Tags tab, and then hit Add Tag. From there, you can give it a name, assign it to a portfolio, and set whether it's a hard or soft tag. Now, what can you do with tags? You can filter ideas in the portfolio or idea manager by tag, sort and group for IP budget planning, track work across teams, technologies, or deadlines, and run cleaner reports during review cycles. Just remember, tags only work if you use them consistently. So instead of one idea tagged AI and another artificial intelligence, pick one format and stick to it. Same with deadlines. Use Q4 filing for anything your team needs to prioritize that quarter. So, to recap, tags help you find and group ideas quickly. You can add tags while filling out or editing an idea. Hard tags makes us admin managed. Soft tags are created on the fly. All tags are searchable across your organization. And that's how you organize smarter, without needing to dig through hundreds of ideas one by one.